Let me tell you a little about Dada. Dada was this really cute guy. He was my dad, and I used to call him Dada. So you can't call him Dada. And Dada was basically, his real name was Radhakrishna Manchi Gaya. He was the son of the first chief engineer of Karnataka state or Mysore. I mean, that is how he used to introduce himself. That's why I'm saying this. And he was very proud of his roots and his ancestral and lineage and so on. And then, but he was an amazingly cute child at heart. And he was this huge 5'11.5" person. I mean, with the dadi and this really good hair, which is always back home till the end. And he was overprotective. He was like a proper man, as in nobody could mess with us when daddy was around. It was like, unlike now, of course, anybody in the world wants to try and mess around. But when daddy was around, each of them would have had their, that was dad. And example, okay, so here's an example. So probably one time when we were at the New Year's Eve party in Cosmopolitan Club in Jayanagar, and a guy came and proposed to mummy. So daddy actually chased him, literally chased him all the way from the Cosmopolitan Club to the Jayanagar 4th block Jayanagar complex, if you know what it means. If not, come to Bangalore and visit and you'll know. And of course, he has chased a lot of guys who are trying to connect with me whenever we used to go for a cup of coffee or have a juice, and these guys would secretly come and try to make a video of us, and then dad would just chase him around with the mobile. So that was dad. And but still, when it comes to dad was always like that. Putta, allo gana, putta, illo gana, baro, allo gana, no, inge, ange. That was dad. And also dad was a very cool person. He never used to actually be this person who used to sit and say, I know, no way. He was always like, I'll coffee kudena, I'll lemon tea kudena, I'll tinana. That was dad. I mean, it was so refreshing to be with him. He was so full of himself and energy and everything. And I think it was really cool that he was really take care of himself also. It was amazing to be around him. I mean, his energy was so infectious, and he had this super cute smile, and I don't remember a single woman not falling for him, even during dialysis. Oh my God, I used to come and tell mommy, that lady was actually hitting on daddy. It was like that, and daddy was like, and all that. So yeah, so that was daddy. Dad was into sports, into rallies. He was this amazingly good looking guy. So he was charming, he was into acting. I think it was everything which people call Dodmane Uduga guys, and he was like the youngest in the family and the cutest one, I would say. And yes, I miss dad. I do miss him a lot, because we were like two peas in a pod. Everywhere you go, even now in a lot of Jayanagar coffee shops and everywhere, people do know us because we were always together. But then of course, even now I'm sure he is with me. That's dad. Miss you, dad.